What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to the Royal Botanical Cranbourne Gardens. It's in Cranbourne. It's gonna be awesome and fun. We're gonna love to go in it. We're gonna check it out. It's gonna be awesome. Am I going now or no? Arrived and we're gonna have some fun, look at interesting plants, animals and insects and stuff. Hey, you just interrupted in our video. Sorry guys.
So this is our Nana, or the kids' nanas.
Your Nana.
The mask on, doing the right thing.
Oh, my mum actually. Your Nana.
Hi. Hi.
I need to get my mask on too. We have to wear masks at the moment in Australia with COVID around.
You guys didn't see this, but there was actually a bilby. It was like a bilby. So guys, we found out in the end it was actually a bush rat. Because I remember in the car there was a picture of the bush rat and it had a sign saying bush rat. I was trying to read it, but the car was moving and I didn't get time to. Believe me, there was a bush rat mouse thing in the bush.
Yeah, so here's what we're gonna do when we're at the botanical gardens. We're gonna keep an eye out for bush rats and go in a bush.
How did it? Are bilbies even in Australia? Yeah, that!
It's called a bush rat, like I just told you, buddy.
Yeah.
Make some noise. Turn it the other way, Cal. You turn it the other way?
I've seen these before on like people's power lines. I think they're for like possums and the bush rats can't climb up. Because possums and bush rats can't rip onto this on the tree because it's going to damage the trees for the garden. Is this safe to hold on to? Oh, Shannon. Oh, bush rats! There's a bush rat! Where's the bush rat?
There it is.
Guys, bush rat, come! Look! Oh, it ran.
Oh. We saw 8 other bush rats.
Should we find some more?
Yeah. Yeah, go baby.
tree camp. Because it's like a desert.
There's other desert plants here.
What are you making, Kelly?
A bridge. This is a bridge.
So, I just saw something awesome this one. I bet there's going to be another bush rat. Another bush rat. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there will be. There will be. There's going to be a bush rat. Wait, what if, like, the bush rat first and it comes for a drink? What if one's living in here? We'll take this off. What if one's living in here? This should be called Rocky Mountain. Rocky Mountain. How cool, Rocky. I'd literally cry if I fell. Because it took ages to do. Oh, I can get up there. Oh my god. I highly recommend you should go here. How do you get up there? You have to have cool parkour skills. Jump.
Don't fall on the rods.
Get up these rocks. I did notice there's these cool rocks here.
Oh, look, there's a lake.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to. Oh, don't go on the rock.
It's epic up here.
I dare you to jump there.
Oh god, how do I get down there? Funny that.
Yeah, funny that.
Listen to where you are.
Banana.
Banana. I'm a big girl now to say that.
You are a bit good to say banana.
Yeah.
Are you a bit good to eat banana?
Yeah. Banana. So, me and Riley I dug out some gold from over here. So you can see there's gold in here, and you can see that I was pretty lucky to dig out some gold out of this rock with just these rocks. So yeah, now I'm rich, but with a tiny speck of gold. Still worth it.
So guys, we actually did manage to get some gold. out.
Shiny.
Show the camera.
Look at it.
Leah's gold and my gold. Wait, make it reflect from the light so like it'll shine a bit. If it's not gold, it's definitely gonna be another gem. We actually looked it up what it is. It's actually called iron pyrite. Iron pyrite.
Yeah, but it's still worth it.
I think it's a type of iron.
I'm still mad that
It's a type of mineral.
but it's a type of gem.
Well, it's still special to find.
Is it hard to find?
Yeah, it is hard to find, I think.
How do you? Oh, look at that! Guys, look at that rock. It's like a tiger rock.
I think it's called wattle, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wattle.
Yeah, that will eat some.
Is that what you saw before, bandicoot or a bilby?
Yeah, we saw that before, guys.
Yeah, that's what we saw.
It's actually a bandicoot, guys.
Like and subscribe, guys. And thanks for watching that channel. Guys, thanks for watching the park channel. And the park, but we didn't see the park there. But we're going to the park now, guys.
So say see you later.
Bye, guys.